Guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a fridge. So yeah, so I'm going to make the fridge right here. So let's get started. First of all, you should take block of that thingy, then after put it and take this and put it like this and take a button and put the button here, and after that you can go to the place of this iron door and go like this and put it, and boom, and after that you just press that and wait a second. Put it like this, and yeah, and after that it's all in. Then you come and press the button, boom, there is your food. So you can press. There's something else. So guys, bye. If you guys like my video, please subscribe and like.